This video will cover how to pass parameters between two files, or from one file to another. So this is my main program. As you can see, it has the main method. Then I have a secondary file over here called second file with the print hello method. We're going to pass a parameter over to it. We'll call it string A equals hello. And let's create an object based on the other file. We'll call it, it's a second file, is going to be the type of object. And we'll just call that X equals new second file. So that just creates our X object based on the second file class. Once we have that, we can use the X, the other file's method. I believe it's print hello. And let's define this over here. In that case, we're going to do system.out.println and we want to send over our string to make that work. So we have A, and we can send that over. Oops, not there. That'd be for a constructor. We can send it over in this method call. Now it's an argument or a parameter. Now over here, we have to receive that and tell the computer, this program, what it is. We could rename it here. We could call it C, D, X, you name it, but I'm going to keep it the same. That way it's less confusing. And now that it's received, we can print it. So let me compile those. And we'll run it. And there we go. It passed information from one to the other. Now if we have multiple parameters that we want to send over, we can set it up like this. We want it to say hello world. Oh, but we need a space. So we'll do this. String C equals blank space. And then we just send them over. A, comma B, comma C. And we can do anything we want with it. Now, the interesting thing is that this one has to receive them in the exact same order we send them. And the reason we send these over in the exact same order is that this file doesn't know what it's receiving. And once it has it, we can use them in any order we want. So we'll concatenate these. I'll put the space in the middle. And let's compile. And if the number of items here, parameters expecting to be received, is different than the amount being sent, that will generate an error. And there we go, hello space world. Now one thing to also note is that once we pass a variable over, it's no longer tied to this file. So we could do something like A is equal to goodbye. We'll compile that. So we can even rewrite those parameters. We use them in any way we want. And goodbye world.